Dashiell learned a new move. He's got super fast feet. Look at them go. I don't know if you can hear him, but he's just a-working. Just a-working. Yeah, yeah. That's right, honey. Oh, twirly. Are you all done? Are you tired? Nope. Oh, look at you go. Let's see, Dash, do some more. Turn around. Can you say hi? Yeah, hi. Hi, camera. Hi, camera. Do you like my bubbles? Can you see my spit bubbles? Dashiell multitasks. That's right. He likes to jump and blow spit bubbles at the same time. And there he goes again, just a crazy guy. Yeah. Is that so? Yeah. Dashiell. Boo. Hi, buddy. Where are you going? Oh. Going for a spin again. Oh, he's back. Say hi. Okay. Can you say bye-bye? Say see you later. No sleeping in the Jolly Jumper for this one.